Ever wondered how to create stunning videos in just minutes? Let me show you how with Canva. So, hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of video creation with Canva. If you have ever wanted to make professional looking videos quickly and easily, you are in the right place. I will guide you step by step through the process so you can start creating a catching content that grabs attention. Let's get started. So, first of all I have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Canva? Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows anyone to create stunning visual including social media graphics, presentations, posters, and videos. With its drag and drop interface, extensive library of templates, images, and fonts, Canva simplifies the design process, making it accessible to beginners and professionals alike. It offers a variety of tools for customization, enabling users to create personalized content for various purposes, from marketing to personal projects. So right now all I have to do is just sign up and write your email address and your password, then you get started. So I already have an account here. I will click over home. Once you do that, you will find this page as you can see. So right now all I have to do is just search about short videos. As you can see, videos, I will select YouTube of course, then I will click over here. So right now we will find these examples of short videos as you can see. So let's wait for it. As you can see here we have it. So we have 20,000 templates. So I will select the filters that I want. For example, here we select all categories. So if you want short videos about business, you select business. Once you do that, you will find here other options like graphs, websites, planners, letterheads, calendars, resumes, and we have invoices and other things. Then we have social media here, as you can see, like Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and other things. Then we have education, like subject, grade, resource type. So we select the niche that you want. Then we have videos here, like mobile videos, YouTube videos. I will select like that. Then we have marketing here, as you can see. We have also print products, cards and invitations, and we have here formats like video, and we have mobile video also. Then we have a style, modern, minimalist, simple. You choose the one you want. And we have language also, theme, feature, grade, subject. We have topic also, and we have the price here. I will select the free one. Then I will click over apply. Once you do that, you will find here the thing that you search about it. So as you can see, we have here only 1,860 templates. So I will choose, for example, one of this. For example, I will select this one, then I will click over customize this template. Once you do that, you will find other page which is this one. So let's wait for it. As you can see, we have here the short videos. So this is it. I will click over here to watch it. We have here 2 seconds and here 1 second, and we have here 2 seconds again. So let's wait. As you can see, we have the second one here. Then we have the last one. So first of all, we have here design like templates, styles. Then we have elements here like frame, music, arrow, circle. Then we have text here. If you want to add a text box, magic white. If you want to add a print of fonts, and if you want to add a heading, if you want to add a subheading also, and then we have add a little bit of body text. Then we have a print here. So about this one, we have if you want to add logos, colors, fonts, print files, photos, graphics, icons also. Then we have here uploads. If you want to upload files like images, videos, and audio also. Then if you want to record yourself, you click over here. And you will find here record, you click over it. Then you get started and you record whatever you want, as you can see. So once you just finish, you have just to click over done and you save and exit. Then if you want to delete it, you click over here, and then let's exit the studio. Then we have the last one, or the last option, which is draw. So you select the color that you want. For example, I will write here Canva. As you can see, and you just do whatever you want. Then if you want to delete it, you click over the eraser, like that, as you can see. Then we have also other options, like if you want to add something here, edit. If you want to have trim, page remover, and we have here playback, the color, we have crop, flip, transparency, and we have image, position, and if you want to also copy style. So about this one, you can just, here we have the first one, I will just select it like that. Then I will click over done. Then we have here if you want to edit, choose the filter that you want, for example epic, we have this type and other one, and also we have this one, so I'll put it here. Then I will select if I want this one or this one, then I will click over here, and here we have it. As you can see, if you want to add a subheading, if you want to add something here, add a comment and mention also, we have emoji also here, and then you can just see it. So here we have the short videos, as you can see. Then we have also here file, resize, editing, and we have the shape business startup, try pro, and we have also here other things. Like here we have current page, have something to say, select anything in the design to add a comment and start a conversation. Then we have also here other things like if you want to zoom also, and we have here scroll view, grid view, and we have preview. And also if you want to add a page here, select the color. If you want to add something, then we have here Slake. If you want to edit timing, position. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and thanks for watching. Now you know how you can create style videos using Canva. Even if you are a complete beginner, remember the key is to experiment and have fun with your designs. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creation in the comment. Happy designing!